Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Piranha from the Bad Guys books. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eye. Let's draw a large circle here. Now inside, let's draw a line across. And then a black semicircle under this line. Next, let's draw the eyebrow with a diagonal line on top. And then from the left side, let's draw one more curve underneath the eye. Next, let's draw the right side of the face. Let's start above the eye on the right, and we're going to draw a long curve down and over to the left. Now top back up to the top, and we're going to curve it out towards the left and then back down towards the bottom line. Let's draw the left eye now. On the left, let's draw a curve out on the side here. And then inside, let's draw an angled line. And then the pupil with a black semicircle towards the top right here. And color it in black. Next, add the eyebrow above it with a curve. And lastly, for the eye, let's add two curves underneath. Next, let's draw the mouth. Inside, let's start on the left, and we're going to draw a curve over and down. And then we're going to draw 3 points for teeth. And lastly, for the face, let's draw 3 U curves. Let's do one between the eyes here, another on the right cheek, and then one more under the mouth. That's it for the face. Let's draw the body next. Underneath the head, let's draw a curved line down towards the right, stopping about here. Now underneath the face, let's draw a curved V shape for the fin. Now let's draw the other fin on the bottom right here. Let's leave a gap, and we're going to draw a curve down on the right. Now from this line, at the top, let's step down, and then we're going to draw a curve over to the left, like this. And then curve it back down to the bottom. And add one more curve on the left. And then inside, let's add 2 curved lines. Now let's finish off the bottom of the body. Let's continue this line over towards the right like this. And then from the top, let's angle it down to a point. Next, let's add the details inside his jacket. Underneath the head here, let's draw a curve down towards the bottom. And then inside here, let's draw 2 diagonal lines for the collar of his shirt. Now inside here, let's draw 2 angles for the tie. Next, let's add the collar with 2 V shapes up like this. Next, let's add the fin on his back. Let's start on the top right here around the eye level, and we're going to draw a curve down and to the right like this. And then one more curve underneath to close it off. Next, add some curved lines across the fin like this. Next, let's draw the tail on the bottom right. Let's start with a curved line up, and then a line at the bottom. Now let's connect these two with a curve inside. And lastly, starting from the inside of the tail, let's draw some diagonal lines out. And that's it for Mr. Piranha. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!